Hey, so we're here on top of a roof at a multifamily project. This is a flat roof, 2-story buildings. You can see quite a bit, 428 units in this property. This roof that I'm standing on was a built-up gravel flat roof. And so right now we are removing all the gravel. The issue with having these type of roofs is it's hard to figure out where the roof is failing since you've got all the gravel on top of it. You know, the water is going to find its way, and it's not like you can see a problem area. So that's really the issue with a gravel roof. So we're eliminating all those, and then we're going with a fan fold right here. It's a 1/2 inch, sort of a recovery board, which allows us to then do an overlay. We're going to overlay TPO, 60 mil TPO. And at that point, you know, it's going to be a whole different ball game as far as the roofing system. TPO is going to be pretty easy to pinpoint. If we've got any issues in the future, we're going to be able to lift some of the low spots as well as we're doing this. And that way we can get the water flowing off the roof. And we're also adding, as you can see here, there's a drain line. So a lot of these AC units, here you go, perfect example, don't have the drain lines. So we're adding those as well. That way your water doesn't just sit on the roof. It actually goes into the gutters and gets off the roof. So we're going to be doing that to about half the buildings here. The other ones, at some point, they remove the gravel and put down some modified bitumen. You can see that. So on those roofs, we're just going to extend the life of it. We're going to look at any problem areas. So let's see. Can't really see with the sun, but I'm guessing you can see some of the water that's pooling right there. We're going to get those low spots and we're going to lift those up, make sure the water's draining off the roof again. Then we're going to hit up the penetrations, reseal them. And at that point, you know, the roof should have a lot more life left to it. And that's it. There you go, more materials coming up.